So hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this analysis video we would see where can Nifty and Bank Nifty make a move tomorrow. As I had stated in my previous tweets and in my previous analysis video that Bank Nifty and Nifty both had broken this trend line and it was continuously trading in a trading range, and most likely a breakdown was expected. Because of strong global cues, whenever Nifty opened gap up, there was a huge sell off, and this level of around 9050 was tested quite a few times, and hence most likely a breakdown was expected. Let's have a detailed view of where can Nifty move tomorrow on 15-minute time frame. Also, as stated previously, Nifty had a strong support at 8800 level, and today it faced a strong reversal from around 8820 levels, but in fact it could not withstand and again fell back to the same level. So if tomorrow market opens gap down, it would be very interesting to see where Nifty would take support. Most likely the next levels for support for Nifty are around 8700, and if it breaks those levels with strong volume, then we could see new levels for Nifty around 8100. But most likely Nifty is set to open tomorrow gap up, and hence the levels previously which were support would now act as a resistance, and hence 9050 and 9000 levels for Nifty would now act as a resistance. Similarly, let's have a view on Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty on daily time frame chart. You could see banking sector is quite weak as compared to Nifty sector. Similar to Nifty, Bank Nifty was also not able to sustain at higher levels, and whenever it rose higher there was a heavy sell off, and it broke this trend line and was trading in this trading range for quite a few days. There was a crucial support of around 19,000 level which was tested many times and hence had become weak, and today it finally broke. One interesting learning point which I want to share with all of you is that whenever a trend line is broken, at least a measured move can be expected, and the measured move is shown by this arrow, and both the arrows are approximately of equal length. So this level of around 17,200 would now act as a support on downside for Bank Nifty, and market would most probably halt for couple of days, and at least I am expecting a short pullback. So let's view Bank Nifty on a smaller time frame. Yesterday I had mentioned that Bank Nifty had a strong support around 18,300 levels, that is this level, but as soon as Bank Nifty broke this level with good momentum, I did not wait for market to retrace up but entered market on a pullback on smaller time frame. So you could see and learn that markets never move in a straight line. Market came up till this level of around 17,800 and it hadn't pulled back. Most of the people would have thought that this is the bottom for the market, it has formed a double bottom bull flag and now it would fly up. But remember that markets cannot fall in a straight line, and this was a perfect price action pattern, and then it broke this pattern on downside, and then I earned a good profit. Now if tomorrow Bank Nifty if opens gap up, then this level of around 17,800 would act as a strong support to Bank Nifty, and the resistance level for Bank Nifty would be around 18,800. So you can expect a good up move if Bank Nifty opens above this level. If it opens gap down and break this level, then it's most likely that you could see 16,000 and 15,000 level in coming days. My personal view on markets is bearish because of increasing tensions between China and other nations, and also on account of weak economy of all the nations because of COVID-19 crisis. But yet I expect market to open gap up tomorrow, as market cannot fall in straight line, and as I've showed you on daily time frame that markets are continuously falling, so there has to be a retracement or a halt. So what's most important and fundamental point for you to learn in this video is that whenever you see markets falling in a straight line, then you cannot expect markets to reverse from this point in a straight line. Market never works in a straight pattern. Market either works in a W pattern, or it comes down, goes in a consolidation phase, and then gives a breakout or a breakdown. And hence those who have thought of taking a reversal trade on this point had to exit in red. One thing I want to tell you is that don't try to predict market. Let the market prove itself. If the market is bullish, then let the market prove itself. Market gives you enough time to take entry positions, and in some cases even your view gets wrong, market gives you enough time to exit your positions in small losses. Hence I fundamentally stress upon learn how market works, and learn how price action works, and why charting patterns form as the way they are. So thank you friends for your patience watching the complete video. You could check out my daily analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty on my Twitter handle, of which the link is given in the description box below. So thank you friends, happy trading, happy learning.